Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. So this video is all about planet Venus. Venus is the planet of love, relationships, comforts and money, and planet Venus is transiting into Libra from November 16th, 2020 to December 12th, 2020. This 25 days period is very important for you because you have an opportunity to improve your finances, to improve your relationships, and also you can maintain really meaningful relationships. You can even carve out all the relationships which are not helping you in any manner, which who are putting you down, who are trying for your what you say, they're looking for your instability in terms of your mental instability, in terms of your financial instability, who are not valuing your relationship. This is the right time for you to understand and think in a practical way. And also this 25 days period is very important period for Venus because Venus becomes the Mula Trikona sign in the Libra. So Libra is very important for Venus because Venus, the first Mula Trikona sign for Venus is basically Taurus, and second significant house for Venus is Libra, and Venus in Libra is equal to Venus exaltation. Okay, so it is very important for you, and also you can gain the abundance and prosperity in the potential areas of luxury, jewelry, properties and harmonious relationships. And this is the right time for you to focus on all these areas. The reason being, Venus transiting into Libra brings financial stability in your life. If at all you want to strengthen your financial, this is the right time for you. And most importantly, take calculative risk in terms of managing your finances, because there is Saturn aspect upon Venus is there, because Saturn right now transiting in Capricorn. From there he will be aspecting onto the Venus. One way it is good because Venus and Saturn are friends to each other, so it will help you even to attracting the right partner and also increasing the intimacy between your loved ones, and also increasing the romantic relationship with your spouse also is possible during this point of time. All right, so happy Venus to everyone. Have a celebration in your life, and if at all you need my consultations, please book from the link that is mentioned in the description section. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. And if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right away, because I have plan of adding more and more videos related to this Vedic astrology transits. And do watch my other videos also on Venus. And most importantly, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon and click on the like symbol if at all you love this video, and also do mention in the comment section what exactly you love from this video. I'm happy to hear from you. Okay, thank you and have a Venus day.